Hi crafty friends, it's Carol from Crinkled Path Journals and I'm here with another GRABIE unboxing. Now, I plan to have a GRABIE unboxing about once a month, but I've posted a little more during the last month or so because I was a bit behind in posting January and February because I had a new granddaughter, and I love that my GRABIE affiliate coordinator who works with me was very generous to say, hey, family needs to come first. You can do your videos whenever it's convenient for you. So thank you to GRABIE for being a company that not only supports my family but my channel. And how can you support my channel? If anything you see on a GRABIE video, or if you want to just explore their shop, I always have an affiliate link below for either the product that I'm showing and a discount code with my channel name that you can put in to get a discount on anything you purchase from them. So I'll just say that right up front and let's get going. Thanks. Oh my goodness, we got the pets one. Oh, my granddaughter's gonna flip over this. Okay, this is fun. And you know, if you've been watching my channel, that when I do my makes, I love that there's been things in the box that really does lend itself to kids getting involved. And I think that it's really intentional on GRABIE's part to, if you have a little one in your life, get them involved with art, because art is joy. Oh my goodness, this is the My Furry Family box, and let's see what's inside. If you haven't watched my channel before or seen a GRABIE unboxing, GRABIE donates a portion of all their sales to their GRABIE Art Fund, which supports other organizations that provide art therapy or art for the sake of good mental health to their patients or their clients. And I love that they do that. All right, we have brown ink and we have blue ink, and it doesn't say. I'm going to assume they are dye inks of some kind. We're going to have to play with those a little bit when I do my project. I usually do an unboxing video and then I try to make something with the box. Oh, these are fun little papers. Those, oh wait, they're stickers. They're frame stickers. Oh my gosh, that's going to be so fun. Look at the variety. Oh, those are going to be so fun to use in lots of different places, not just with a pet thing. And then look at the calendar. It's got little bear feet. It's got, little footprints. It's got some, what looks like maybe a spilled honey jar, a little flower. I don't know if that's a kitty face. I don't know. Those could be kitty faces. But isn't that cute? And you can do like, it's a little fish and a little cat. And then a cat food tin. Okay, I'm seeing it better on the back side. And then we have the little footprints. My brain honestly goes straight to bears because my granddaughter's really into Pooh Bear. Oh, let's see. It looks like they sent 2 packs of those. These are more of the frames. And they look like they are a different set. Oh, yeah. So these are more muted tones, and these are a little more bright. I love those. I am going to stack them all together, though. And then, oh my gosh, look at these dimensional stickers. They look like they have fur on them. We have some big fluffy white livestock guardian dogs, and then our kids have 2 cattle dogs. They also have 2 cats, and so we have, oh, look at the black cats. Speaking of which, so they do have 2 black cats, and love their very different personalities. One of them is uber friendly and one of them is very standoffish. But since we have been living here for the year, he has started to let me pet him occasionally. So, so Nana's in the fan. I'm not going to open these, but it is some stationery paper and the matching envelopes. Very, very cute. Oh, and here's my GRABIE sticker for this box. Tuck it up there. And then the kits always come with some art supplies and then the book, but you can buy the cut and stick it books on their own without the rest of the kit if you like these. And at the end of last year, 2025, I did a comparison with these books and the like paper and flow books, and I have to say that while those other books might be a little less than these, I love that part of buying this book goes to support art therapies. So it's worth it to me to spend a little more. And I think the quality of their books is on par. And there's actually so much variety in these that they're very much worth it. So do we have animal lovers in the audience today? I sure hope so. This looks funny. I love the little Doxy. We had Doxies for many years. We had Labradors for many years. And now we have the livestock guardian dogs that live with our goats full time. But I still love Doxies. I would love to have another one, but between grandkids and travel, it would not be fair to the dog. Oh, look at the little Christmas antique scene. There are some really nice vintage images here. Okay, so are those stickers or is it cut aparts? Well, this is a cut apart, so you'd have to pick. I love that there are sticker pages. These are beautiful images. I love that their sticker pages have images on the back. Harder to choose when there are really cute images on both sides, but when it's a sticker, oh, these are such cute images. When it's a sticker, you can peel the sticker off and then use the backing. Oh, and there's a horse in here. So it's not just dogs and cats. And we have another flip out page. You could use this as a signature in a journal. Oh, it's a poster. Cool. Oh, and then look. Yeah, anybody who has dogs in their life probably has some fur. Oh, this is funny. Up close and personal. Well, that may not appeal to everybody just because I know cleaning up dog fur is one of the hardest things that we have to keep up with in our big house here where the kids live. Oh, look at the little paw prints. That's cute. Oh, hey Hazel, you want some dog ears for your paper dolls? We got cats. Silly kitty stickers. Oh, that's cute. See what I mean? Stickers on one side and then paper you can use on the back. My other daughter and her husband also have a cat. And then both of my girls have leopard geckos. Well, I don't know if we're going to find a leopard gecko in here, but that would sure be fun. But look at all these puppies. Oh, and these look like stitched patches. Those are cute. Oh, my granddaughter's really going to have fun with this one. She has an art easel in their kitchen. Oh, I love this too. How cute is that and whimsical. And I love the cartoony ones, not just the realistic looking ones, but these cartoons are very cute too. Yeah, so she has an easel in her kitchen. Oh, so cute. And she loves putting stickers on and then coloring around it. Oh my gosh, all the black kitties. They're gonna love it. This is frame worthy. That's fun. I love the whimsical, bright, chunky graphic art prints. Oh my goodness. Aw, sweet kitties. So, do you have pets in your life, or are you like me and you're, just enjoying other people's pets because having another pet in your life would be more work than would be fair to them? These are adorable. Life is short, so are my legs. Oh, look at all the doxy things. I'm going to enjoy those in some of my memory journals. Oh, pets really add a whole new dimension to our life. They are so loyal, so sweet. They are work, but what relationship isn't? So I guess, it's one of those things where I know that my dogs that live in the field absolutely love the job they're doing. They were bred for it. They do not like to leave the field or their goats. I really enjoy that we still get to have pets, but that it's easy to have somebody come and look out for them feed the goats and feed the dogs when we do have to be away. Oh, see, there's my livestock guardian dog. A big white floofy dog. Oh, these remind me of prints from a particular artist. I wonder if they don't have any art markings on it or signatures, so they must be GRABIE official. These are adorable. I love the flowers. Oh, and then look at are these punch out cards? Oh, these are cut aparts. Little journaling cards that would be fun. And then look at these little notepad, some bookmark looking things, or these are stickers, you could put them on a journaling card. Oh, these are little envelopes. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, my granddaughter's going to love this. She's going to want to make some puppy faces, I'm sure. I try to get her to come and play with me once in a while. If you've been on my channel, you know that. She loves it. Oh, and then so many cute papers just for backgrounds. Oh, and the Adopt Don't Shop. I love that. Yes, for sure. And the little letters for ransom notes. Fun. And then here, they always have a vellum section. Beautiful. Love the hearts. All in the little paw prints. Those are adorable over the top of each other, aren't they? Oh, how cute. This kind of reminds me of the ones from the kitchen where you can put things in the cupboard, and that's fun. Oh, and these are cute too. So leave a comment if you have a pet story. I would love to hear about your pet. I love that. Look at the dimension on that. What a fun addition. That makes me want to fussy cut some things and do this for a journal. There's a squirrel. Look out. Oh, these are so cute. For a fall journal, I think pets are kind of like animals, and pets are kind of like something I said about the sewing book, which was one of the first ones that I reviewed at the beginning of the year. I collect a lot of sewing things and I put them in all my journals, and I think animals are something similar to that, where even if I am just doing a garden journal or a rain journal, I would still include some really cute whimsical pet pages. These are so cute. Oh, I really like this. And then here is the bookmark for this one, is a paw print. If you buy these cut out and stick it collage books, you get a magnet bookmark with each one. If you collect 6 and take the photo and email the photo of your 6 bookmarks to GRABIE, they will give you a prize. And then if you collect all 12, you get another prize. And they're nice, sturdy magnets. And I'm saving up mine. This is my 3rd one for this year. I hope you enjoyed looking through this today. Again, if you are interested in looking into GRABIE and purchasing something from them, please consider using my link in the description box below. It gets you 15% off. It gives me a small commission, and it contributes to their art fund where they support art therapies. Take care, everyone, and I hope you go and hug your pet or your grand pet today, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.